Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'm reviewing the Ooni Koda 12-inch gas-powered pizza oven. I'm going to tell you a few things I like about it, plus share 3 warnings you should know before purchasing. Now, it weighs about 10 pounds, as it's made from a lightweight steel, so it's easily portable, which is important as it does need to be outside when using. Plus, the legs on the bottom, underneath it here, can fold up and take up less space. One of the items that's included is a stone baking board, which can stand 1,000-degree temperatures. It also comes with a gas regulator and hose to connect to your propane tank. A propane tank is of course sold separately. So let's fire this oven up so you can see how it works. I went with the gas oven over the wood oven as I think it's faster and less of a hassle to turn on a propane tank over burning wood chips in my opinion. You'll notice that it takes me a couple times here to ignite it, which I've heard from other users as well. So my first warning is to make sure that it's fully ignited by checking the temperature, listening, or simply looking inside the oven for the flame. It only takes about 15 to 20 minutes to heat up and 60 seconds to bake the pizza, so it's super fast and efficient. It's also important to note that the pizza pill and thermometer are both sold separately. My second warning is to keep the pizzas small, 8 to 10 inches. As you can see here, I made a rookie mistake and made a really large pizza. Avoid, of course, getting frustrated as it's going to take a few practices to get cooking right and not burn the crust like I did on this pizza. But even with burning my last pizza, it is a fun gadget to have for a weekend night or having friends over as everyone can make their own pizza.